Paymenter is a free open-source software for hostings. It is fast, optimized, and friendly. Today, I am going to teach you how to install it on your VPS or dedicated server. Let's get started. This is Linux Ubuntu. Copy and paste the first command from the installation guide. It is important that during this entire installation of Paymenter, you verify that no type of error appears in your system. Here we are already copying and pasting the second command. With the following command, you may have this error like me. If you have this error, simply put this new command. With the following command, we update the package lists to continue with the installation of Paymenter. We continue executing the last command in this list of dependencies. We install the composer with this command. With this command, we create the code directory. With this other command, we go to that directory and clone the repository with this command. With this, you unzip it, and with the latter, you assign the permissions. Now, with this command, you enter the database configuration. By default, the password is the same as the system password. In this first command, you change your password to your own password. I will run the next commands as is. It is your preference if you wish to change the username. Exit. With the following command, you copy the .env file. Now you install the composer with this command. With this command, you will create an API key and save it in a secure place. In the following directory that I show, you can find your API key. We execute the following two commands to configure the environment. In the other command, put the password that you entered previously. Now with this command, you set up the database. It is possible that you will get this error. If you get it, go to the .env file and write the password that you previously entered in the DB password line and run the command again. Ready? Now it came out correctly. Now we create the first user with an administrative role. Here, put the data it asks for with the data you want and give it role 0. OK. Now you will configure the web server. In my case, I will use Cloudflare, so I will do it without SSL. We go to the directory that it tells us in the guide and create a file called paymenter.conf. Then we open the file with a text editor and paste the guide code. This is the code. Paste it, and now point your domain to the IP of your server with the name you want. In my case, I will put pay.tortugaland.us. You can put whatever you want and however you want. Now change paymenter.org with your own domain. Save the changes. Run the following two commands. Now fix possible permissions problems with this command. Open the cron tab and paste this for the cron job. Do it on the first line of the file. Now go to this directory and create a file called paymenter.service. Paste the code that is in the guide. Save the changes. Run this last command. And voila! You have now installed Paymenter software. Now go to your browser and paste your domain IP that you have entered and start managing your payment software. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in future Paymenter videos.